Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Welcome to Krishna Flute Academy YouTube channel. In this video today, we will discuss how to play the tapping. So this is very important part. This is a very important part in flute, tap. So but we have seen students used to face difficulties when they are flute tapping. Instead of the tapping, they used to play the next note, but it is not like that. So I will share with you a brief introductions and also a beautiful way how we can play tapping perfectly. Okay, I am using here G scale flute, and I will show you how to play that. Okay, now see, this is, I will start from the pa. Now if you have observed my playing, it is called tapping, but how I am doing, I will not close these full finger. I will stroke on these sections just beside that, to not close it. Just beside that I will tap. So before tapping, you need to realize the air is coming out all these section. When I am blowing, then my blow is going here and the airs are coming out from this area. You need to feel it slowly. So I'll show you how to do this. If you play couple of times, then you will realize these are air are coming out. Now our objective is, we have to slowly keep our finger. If you do so couple of times, then your finger movement will be relaxed. You do not steep your finger. Go slowly. If you do this, then your finger will be flexible. Now after that, you hit on the back, on just side of that note, previous note. Suppose I am playing dha, I will stroke over here. Now what is the utilizations of the tapping? Suppose if you have seen sa, so la, this kind of section, if I'm playing with the help of the lips, how does it sound? Instead of that, if I do little tune I am playing, so that you will understand that utilizations of tapping. Now little more. So if you have understood this, practice it. And if again I am telling you, before you go for tapping, softly play this. Then if it is perfectly coming, then hit to the just nearby area of the previous note. Then this tapping will come perfectly. Okay, I hope you understood. That much is for in this video. We'll meet again in the next video. Bye bye.